Want to make money with AI? And I'm not talking about ChatGPT. There's so much more stuff out there that you probably didn't know about that you can make thousands of dollars until now. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 AI tools and softwares that are making me thousands of dollars each and every month, and how you can use them to start, build, or scale your online business, whether it be in affiliate marketing, digital products, and even social media marketing. So let's go. Right off the bat, we're gonna jump into a software I love and use every single day called Opus Clips. What's cool about Opus Clips is it'll take your long form content, like for example, your Facebook Live or your TikTok Live or even your podcast, and it will generate 10 viral clips. Sometimes it gives me at least 20 to 25 viral clips, and it's absolutely free, and it does it lightning fast. All you would have to do is just drop your link inside this little bar down here and then click get clips if it's on YouTube, or you can upload the file. Moments later, you're going to get an email sent to you telling you that your clips are ready. And here are some of mine right here. What it does, it gives you also a title in your clips, and it gives you a score to let you know how well this will rank in SEO. On top of that, it's going to give you a script that you could copy and paste and put into your content, or you could put it into a blog, however you want to use it. You could download the videos with ease by clicking this button, and you can even edit the clips inside the software, which is real cool. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23 clips that it generated from me from one video. Now I could take and put these clips into TikTok, into Facebook stories and reels, into Instagram reels, and also on YouTube shorts, and help grow my traffic and get more people to my website and to my offers. And it'll help you grow on social media so much faster. On top of that, Opus Clips are super affordable. They have a monthly plan that you could pay for $19 USD, and they have a yearly plan that you could pay $114 USD. But what makes them so cool, while I love them and you will too, is because they also have a free forever plan. In this free forever plan, you'll get to do up to 1080p rendered clips, auto reframe, local upload only, and after 7 days, the clips will no longer be viewable. But 7 days is a lot of time to go ahead and download your clips. Now to dive a little bit deeper into the free plan, it's a limited time offer, and Opus Clips currently offers a free trial. You get 90 minutes of video upload with up to 30 downloadable clips, and a monthly free plan of 60 minutes video upload with limited feature access and watermarks on your clips. Now they offer a paid plan, like I said, with flexible upload credits available on both a monthly and yearly basis. Now Opus Clip does have some competition. I'm going to show you another software that gives them a bang for their buck. Coming in number 2 at a close second is Video.ai. With Video.ai, you can make short videos from long ones instantly, absolutely free. And I just want you to look at the user face on this website. It is super sleek, man. You gotta love it. Now here's what's great about Video.ai. You can do auto video captioning, you can do video clipping and edit inside the software, you can do instant video resizing, you can add these cool social media templates to give that extra pop to all your videos and to hold those scrollers' attention when they're scrolling on social media and discover your website or discover your content. And then it has social media integrations. You can automatically publish your content to all social media platforms from within the software. As of the date of this video, it has over 500,000 downloads from podcasters and creators just like me and you. And just like Opus Clips, you can create those cool Alex Hormozi subtitles that you see on social media by greats like Alex Hormozi himself and Grant Cardone and Gary Vee. Now it does have a free forever plan. To start off, you get 75 minutes, which all get deducted by the length of your video by the minute. And starting up is super easy. You can create your account with Google, and you can take your YouTube videos and drop your link just like Opus Clips, and or import your videos manually from your device. Once your video is ready, it does all the work for you with AI magic, and it breaks it down in chapters and shorts, and the entire video can be scripted out for you with text and subtitles and all the other things that go along with it that make it super cool to watch. watch. It has their own templates built right in, and as you can see, as I'm scrolling, you can choose from many different styles of them. You can edit your video right inside the software by clicking it right here in the back end. And by the way, you can do this all on the free version with your 75 minutes. You can add your social media icons by clicking which one, and you can change the style of the scripts. They have a cool feature called Cut Magic, where they'll automatically cut it up even more before and after. As you can see this, it'll chop out all that airspace you didn't want it. It's going to create all those cool basic subtitles, just like Alex Hormozy and all those cool creators you see on social media, and you can edit the style of those. And then you can add your own elements, you guys. You can upload your logo or any cool images or pop-ups you want, and then you can change the style of the text. You can change the style of the background. It'll even create an AI generated description for your social media account when you're ready to post. And by the way, Video.ai isn't limited to one format. You can do portrait or selfie mode, landscape, square, or a portrait split, where you can split it up into multiple parts. Man, this software rocks. That's why it's coming in on one of my top 5. Let's keep going. If you're going to be on social media, you want to, of course, make money from it and monetize your platform. And the next app I'm going to show you is going to help you to do that super easy. This app can generate documents like ebooks and blogs and even web pages in seconds. Let me introduce you to an app called Gamma.app, and you can use this on your device and or your desktop or tablet. With Gamma.app, you can create a working presentation, a document, or a web page. You can refine and customize in under a minute using their powerful AI generator, and it packs a heavy punch. Signing up with Gamma.app is super easy. You can also use your Google account and log in under a second, and it's absolutely free. Once you create your account, all you got to do is come in and create new with AI. A window is going to pop up, and you can create generate or text transform. One click and you'll start off to the races. Look how fast and easy this moves. It's going to ask you whether you want to do a presentation, a document, or a web page. We'll just do a document just to see, so you can see how it looks. Next, it's going to ask you what's the subject matter of your document, and you just type that in. After it asks you those few short questions, it's going to let you pick some cool templates, and they are super, super sleek. As you can see over here to my right, if you just pick one of them, it's going to change over here to give you a preview. And man, they are slamming. Once you pick your template, right now, what you're seeing it do in real time is creating my document right with AI. Look how fast and sleek it moves. It's not slow. Has my name based off my Google account, and it's creating a whole document. I could take this document and turn it into a PDF or an ebook or some type of digital product, and it's going to give you a link that you could just use it straight from the website or the app itself for people to read right now. If you don't even want to create one, you could just send them the link. How cool is that? Let's check it out. So I put in YouTube growth just for educational purposes, and look what it created for me with AI. I mean, it's already done, and I can edit and tweak it as needed, but it looks super cool, super modern, super sleek, and it did it super fast, and it is super, super free. You can start using this now. All of my links are going to be in the description. Before we get into my top 2 AI softwares you can use to help make you thousands of dollars in your digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or online business, let me tell you about my free course. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course. And by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. And use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into it. Chances are, if you've ever bought a digital product from me, I made it inside using the software called Designer. Designer creates ebooks and lead magnets to help you reach more people. Now, this is world renowned. These folks are coming up, and they are a game changer, and they're absolutely super affordable. You can transform your blog posts, your podcasts, your videos, and your PDFs into ebooks, show notes, dynamic flip books, transcripts, ebooks, PDFs, and even web pages. This software caters to so many different industries, whether you're a content marketer or a course creator, ebook creator, small business, brand marketing, podcasters, coaches, marketing agencies, and even YouTube creators. Again, with AI, you can create your things in just 5 easy steps and super fast. Just choose your source, review your draft, choose a template, tweak and tune, and then publish like that. Now, I won't go too heavy on this software because I've already made a cool video about it, how I created an ebook in 10 minutes. Super cool. I'm going to link it in the video description, and this is what it looks like. Now, after you have your content, after you have your product, and even after you have your web page, the most important thing you're going to need is traffic. This next software will help you get that fast. My number one AI software for content creators and business people is Repurpose.io. Once you have all your content, you can maximize your content by placing it on all platforms in one click. The cool thing about Repurpose.io, they make it easy to automate your content and your workflow. You can post all your content in one post to multiple platforms. They do all the heavy lifting for you. With Repurpose.io, you can create one time and publish that same piece of content any and everywhere. You can post content on all platforms, just to name a few, as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Zoom, Google Drive, Dropbox, and even audio podcasts. Now, Repurpose.io isn't free, but they do have a free trial. You can publish up to 10 videos for free with no credit card required. Plans are gonna start you off at $15 a month for the podcaster, but you're really going to want to shoot for the content marketer, which is about $25 a month, or you can pay yearly and save about $6 by paying $249 bill yearly. Plus, you're going to get too much free on their yearly plan. The content marketer plan is ideal for long form video creators, short form creators, and live streamers. You can automatically repurpose existing content from your own YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Zoom, WebEx, or any video in your Google Drive or Dropbox to all your social media channels. You can even convert those videos into audio podcasts and connect 5 of each type of social media platform. What that means is 5 TikToks, 5 Facebooks, 5 Instagrams, and so on and so forth. I'll leave a link down below this video so you can get started with Repurpose.io and get your free trial so you can start not only creating content with AI, but also posting it on multiple social media platforms with one post. Also, inside my free course, I'll show you how to use this software and others in order to generate income and monetize all of your social media platforms. Those links will be in the video down below as well. That's going to conclude this video. Tell me, which AI software was your favorite? I want to know. Leave a comment down below. Which one would you like me to make a more in-depth video about? I'll be glad to do that. Just drop a comment below. And if you like my content, go ahead and give me that like, that follow, and share to help my YouTube channel grow. I really appreciate it. And if you want to take any of my products or any of my digital free courses, see everything down below. You guys stay blessed. I'll see you on the other side of success. We out.